Where's the treats? We found a little puppy. Hey, buddy. You want a treat? Got some treats? Here. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You want a treat? Come here, buddy. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. Yeah. We got more. You want to go for a walk? Here, come here. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. Good boy. Are you thirsty? I got some water. Tina. Good girl. Hey, come here.
Tina!
Come here. Look.
I
What
was.
if this was one of her bases? Wouldn't that be great? Where we're supposed to be. Tina.
I wonder if she lives there. She's trying real hard to get back in.
Hi. Good girl.
Do you live there? She got under.
Hi. How you doing? There was like a stray puppy that broke off like a leash. Yeah. Okay. So awesome. Glad she's yours. So we got her back home. So they're good girl, Patricia. I don't know. Probably not one of Patricia's. They didn't look like they recognized each other. We'll keep looking. Another thing, if we would have got that little pit bull puppy earlier, we do need fosters. We're at max capacity, so you guys please comment below, message if you can foster, because we're on like a tricky situation right now. It's hard to do a lot more physical rescues out there right now because we're kind of full. So we don't want to have to stop, so we need like a roster of fosters. So anybody that can foster, make sure to comment below so that we can just keep on full strength rescuing dogs physically without having that worry in the back of the head like, oh no, we don't have a place for them right now. So comment below. Thanks.